Bocconi University is very keen to offer to his students and participants a kind of panorama of cultural contemporary artworks, music, theater, cinema, and especially contemporary artworks, because we think that our university, which is specialized and focused on economics and management and law, so something very specialistic, very technical, need to open a little bit the mindset of our students in order to understand what's going on in the actual world. In Bocconi University, we offer a gallery. The name is Bocconi Art Gallery, BAG, around 100 pieces of arts, and every year we substitute all the products, painting, canvas, sculptures, video arts, performances, in order to offer to the new students a new panorama of what's going on in arts. Also because arts, as we said, is incorporated in products and services. And we are particularly proud that our experience is considered all over the world in the different universities an important benchmark of including arts in traditional knowledge and imagination.